Welcome to sight singing tutorial video number 1. This is Mr. Statler presenting to you, and I hope you are excited. Let's get down to it. So, there are two main things you need to understand about sight singing. The first is rhythm, and the second is melody. In this video, we're going to deal with rhythm. Specifically, rhythms in the time signatures of 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. All right, so let's get down to it. In 2/4 time, you are going to have 2 beats in each measure. That means 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, you're going to see that in music separated out by bar lines. Just a single straight line from the bottom of the staff to the top of the staff. Now, in 2/4 time, the notes that you will see most of the time are quarter notes, 2/8 notes, 4/16 notes. Sorry, it's a little messy. And half notes. Now, the language that I use to speak rhythms is called the Takadimi language. Now, there are many languages in understanding music, so this is just one. You might have a language that works for you better. This is the one that I choose to teach, and is the one that I understand the best. So, in that language, if you see a quarter note, it's worth 1 beat, and you are going to say ta. If you see 2/8 notes, you are going to say ta-di. If you see 4/16 notes, you're going to say takadimi. And if you see a half note, you're going to say ta, but hold it out for 2 beats. So, if I look at this rhythm, each measure has 2 beats in it. This is 1 beat. An 8th note is a half a beat, so 2/8 notes together is going to equal 1 beat in total. A 16th note is worth 1/4 of a beat, so 4/16 notes will equal 1 beat, and a half note will be 2 beats. So if I speak this rhythm, it would sound like this. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ta, ta-di, ta-di, takadimi, takadimi, ta. So you can hear how this is 1 beat, ta, ta, ta. Each of these is a half a beat, so you've got 2 of these syllables to fit in 1 beat. Ta-di, 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 ta-di. Each of these is 1/4 of a beat, so you're going to have to fit 4 into 1 beat. Takadimi, 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 takadimi. And this is 2 beats, so you just hold it out for both of those beats. Ta. Now the great thing is 3/4 and 4/4 are almost exactly the same. The only difference is you have 3 beats per measure and you have 4 beats per measure. Okay, so everything is going to be exactly the same as 2/4, except in 3/4 you'll also see dotted half notes, which are worth 3 beats. So you would just speak ta. And in 4/4 you'll also see whole notes, which are 4 beats. So you would speak ta. Otherwise, you'll still see tas, quarter notes, tadis, 8th notes, and 16th notes as takadimis. That is the end of tutorial video number 1.